Hello guys, today we are going to see how to create a new user in Ubuntu. So to create a new user in Ubuntu, just click on this start menu, and here you can click on user, and once you click on users, a prompt will open up here, and here you can see the unlock button. This one user which is the owner of this the system being used. So you can click on unlock and enter the password here, and here when you click on unlock, this green button will be highlighted here. So once the green button is highlighted, click on add a user, and here I'm trying to create a new user called as with me. Okay, so here we are trying to create a new username, and we will set a password. You can set a password 11 next time. So when I set a password, when I give a simple password, so it will say password needs to be longer, try to add more letters and punctuations. So when I type only letter and I try to repeat some words, so it will say like try to avoid common words. These are all the security checks which are being done here. So let me give you a proper valid password, and once I give a password which satisfies the condition, and you can see the confirm password both is getting marked, and you can see the tick mark here, and you can see the complexity of the password. So if you want to make it strong, you can add a few more extra words, such as some special characters, some combination of numbers, alphabets, uppercase, lowercase. So this will make your password strong, and try to give it as a unique type. So you can have the account tab as a standard or administrator. So let me have this as administrator, and once I click on add, so can you see here, this account has been set here now. So you can see all the details here. So whenever I log in for the next time, I can log in with this username and password. So this is also as an administrator, and these all are the activities you can use it. You can have a password, automatic login, account activity, and all the things can be done. So if you don't want this user, you can click on remove user, and once you click on remove user, it will delete all the home directories, pool temporary files of a user account, or you can keep the files, and or click on cancel. Okay, and if you want to change this name, so I want only say code with me, and when you click on edit and just uh, click on this button back, it will update the name. So code with me 87, and click on this button, so it get applied. So this is how you add a new user as an administrator, and you can set the languages. If you want, you can turn off the administrator. You can switch on and switch off this condition. So here administrator can add and remove the other users, and change the setting for all the other users. So this is how we do the settings here. Thanks guys for watching.